45. So before this, we were doing the ratios. We didn't know what the angle was. We just had a name for the angle. The other way you can find sine, cosine, and tangent is if you actually know the measure of your angle. So remember, looking back at previous examples that we did not know the measure of these angles. Okay, so we could not find them using a calculator. We had to use ratios. If you do know the angle, you can find the sine, the cosine, and the tangent, the decimal form, using a calculator. Okay, so let's take a look at what that might look like. Okay, so on your calculator, one thing you want to do is make sure, first of all, that it's in scientific mode so that you have all of these buttons over here. Okay, the other thing that you want to make sure of is that it's in degree mode. Okay, so notice there's radians, gradients, and degree. You want it to be in degree mode. To calculate the sine of 45, I put in the angle I'm using, 45, and then I push the sine button. So notice here's sine. Don't use this one. Okay, it's not sine H, it's just plain sine. When I do that, notice it has sine 45, and here is my answer, 0.707106. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write that down. And it goes on from there. They didn't say what to round to, so I'm just going to leave it. The cosine of 45 degrees. Let's take a look at that one. Bring up our calculator, clear it out. This time we put 45 degrees and push the cosine button. Oh, look, it's the same number, which doesn't happen often. It does happen with 45-degree angles. Okay, and finally, let's find the last thing they asked for, which was the tangent of 45 degrees. Clear my calculator, put 45, tangent this time, and you should get 1. The tangent of 45 degrees.